On April 4, 2024, officers were dispatched to Texas Roadhouse in response to a report of an individual attempting to purchase food using a stolen credit card.
55 to 58 and 69, just advising, they haven't checked in yet, so just standing by to see if they come up. The individuals who placed this order have not checked in yet. When they check in, I will advise what spot they're parked in.
They placed it, this is the actual owner. This is the name they put it under, Jeff.
Okay. 69, he's right up here in front. I don't know what car he's in, but he's just standing up here.
Spot over here?
No.
Yeah, we're good.
He's standing right here in the black hooded sweatshirt.
Do you have your ID with you?
Yeah.
Yep. No, hold on.
Oh, where are we going? I was gonna go get my ID.
Well, did you drive here?
Yeah.
Okay, I asked you if you have your ID. I didn't ask you to go walk to your car.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
What's your name?
It's Ricardo.
Do you know your social?
What's your name?
Mama chocolate.
Are we allowed to search your pockets? Passing out for weapons?
Do you have anything on you that you shouldn't have right now?
No.
You're under arrest, so you are going to be searched.
I know.
Tell us now if there's something on you we need to know about. You have something?
No, it's just my babe.
Your babe? How old are you?
18.
So, who is Justin? Is that you? Okay. Yeah, we'll get him back here in the back of your car for now.
I got my mom.
What's your step?
I'm gonna go.
Can't, not right now.
Why?
Searching before we put it.
Yeah, can you search him? Yep.
Come over here. I'll search you.
Mom took you home? Yeah, she took me here to get food and she ran home.
So you were supposed to be here?
Yes.
You weren't supposed to just pick it up and get home?
No.
Hey, relax.
Bro.
Sit right here. Just sit down for a second.
Just turn it.
Sit. I'm not gonna lie, he was about to run.
I know.
He was about to run. There it is.
Chevy.
Hit it again.
Camaro.
I wonder if this Camaro's stolen.
Yeah.
She said, okay.
The vehicle was registered to him and not stolen. He was charged with misuse of a credit card and theft.